This is day one, guys. Day one.
No weird, no weird. This is really sneaky.
Alright, we took the bed off. We can do some measuring here and then figure out how we want to put this notch in. Got a bunch of metal. Hell yeah. Alright, bed has been cut out. So what's up everybody? We're over here at Southwest Concepts, day 2 on the little B. Doing a bunch of stuff today. So like a weld on them. Cut out some rivets, getting rid of shit we don't need. The back end's looking clean. Gonna look cool when everything's in. New fuel cell going in, old one coming out. This fuel cell's gone. We're gonna go ahead and take this gas and put it in there. That's water on the ground, not gas. But look at that. Notches are next. Alright, fuel cell's been dropped in, it's mounted. Notches are in. embrace so we can cut out the old notches. But yeah, she's looking good. All right, day three. Day three? Yeah, day three. You can see it's early in the morning. Waiting for Trevor to pick me up because last night I had to leave my truck there. As you can see, we're gonna, oh, look at Trevor's here. New notch in, still got to plate her in and do the cross bridge. Old notch out. Goodbye, underbed notch. Charcoal canister, fuel cell, all getting lined up. All right, day three. Oh, what a long day. Got the fuel cell in. Don't mind the hoses and shit right now. We're gonna clean that all up. But we got the notches in. Still need to do the bridge, plate, links. Lots of stuff to do still. But one night down, didn't have her, back to having her. My first filling, fuel cell.